everyone, today I'll be showing you ways to avoid text blending in with the background like the one you see on the screen. So first, you need to access the back end of your website by logging in. You can go to the login by typing wp-admin. Once you're in, it'll take you to your dashboard. Scroll all the way down and click on Slider Revolution. Now on the last video I showed you how to change your slider image, but as you can see here, the words are blending in with the background. This might not be a big issue on a desktop screen, but if I click here and browse through the previews of different devices, you can notice a major shift in the titles, causing it to blend in with the background. There are a few options for you to fix this, first being changing the background picture to a darker image following the same steps as the previous tutorial. But let's say you want this picture and don't wish to change it, so we'll look through the options together. First, you can change the text color. You can either select the titles you'd wish to change or go down here and select. After that, you click on Style and click on Text Color. Then a window pops up where you can change the color. I'll go with a reddish tone for this example. Okay, after you picked a color, you can click through the previews to see if it is what you want. If it is, then you just click Save and you're good to go. But if you're not happy with it, there's another option, which is to move the titles only for a specific device. So for example, let's go with the mobile preview and shift the words way down. You can select all the text by pressing Shift and dragging with your mouse, or you can hover over this cursor right here and click Drag to select. So I'll move all of this down here. If you feel like you liked it where it was before, you can simply press Ctrl-Z or hover over here and click the Undo Redo button. Okay, now that I've moved it here, let's see the preview down here and show you what I mean. So everything else is the same except for the mobile preview. It's down here now instead of up there like the rest. The last option would be adding a filter on the image itself through the website. You can do that by clicking on the Media button, then select Filters, and it will show you these options. After you are done with whichever option you go for, you just click Save and you're done. So that is all for today. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Goodbye!